regarding all hands, plants and red stands intensely, especially in Brazil, required choosing hard species that tolerate for sun and periods ever talents. Here are some fundamentals. Question was an answer about tree or shrub and plants for hot and dry environments. Question about tree or shrubs um, withstand intense heat and fight. Extra. In fact, shrub with flowers red, orange, and yellow that love for sunny heights perfect points. Jabuticaba tree a fruit bearing option that if I'll carry on for it adequate and entering adapts it to large boats and some pomegranate very hard sweater with intense heat well and can be growing point considered desert nordest sorry fertile ground and with yellow flower and withstand hot climates well. Has viscous and a showering shrub that love for sun with many compact varieties too. Are growing with heads or ribbon foliage herds restant. Yes, some species like the yellow can have an urgent grow, but they generally we need more rats for trying species for extreme heat and prefer special with weight or tomato leaves. 3. With small fruit trees with 10 heads and points. Conquests and ranges great rate hits and falls well. Lemon tree adapts to points but requires regular watering. Question about read restant hand plants. 4. Which virgin plants can withstand some outtake? Repaired. Yes, used to grow. Raise cactus that loves its and glides. Under John has perfect foliage that forms as cascades. Banner Royal and fast grower craven plants that tolerate from sun. 5. Would the burst energy plants for all fonts from sun. Training general has long stand losing year rounds the large rex sun latana. Super restant with about tents foreign in various color crazy for elevate fonts. Question about maintenance with hands. 6. How often the shower shoots you water hands and plants in the sun? To it to the intense heat and since metal banana of some range points may need watering daily or rather twice a day. Read in the morning and late afternoon. How 7. How to protect the roots fruits in the plants. Use a pine bark and the straw mounted to the train. Monitoring and protect the roots for the high temperature over the plants. Avoid metal or black plastic ponds which overheats proclaim ponds or cellulose materials. 8. What fertilizer is recommends? To ensure fluorescence and recommend fertilizer with NPK every 20 to 30 days during the sun.